So if I ever come across a teacher who really wants to know about autograph but only has about 60 seconds to spare, you can set your clocks now if you like, and let's see how we get on. Because it was written by teachers, I think that's the first thing, and therefore pedagogy is foremost in the design of it. We organise things so that they can be done very simply. For example, if you want to pause a graph, you can do so and get the students to have a look. It has our own scribble tool, and scribbling on whiteboards is a real problem. The interactive whiteboards have scribble tools, but when you scribble and then you go back to autograph or whatever else you're going to, the scribbling disappears. So we have our own scribble tool which doesn't disappear. We have dynamic tools like the constant controller, which is unique to us in the sense that you can vary the step as well as the value dynamically, so you can go closer and closer to situations. And the fact that it works in 3D is quite unique and very special. I don't know how my 60 seconds are getting on, but certainly that's usually enough to get teachers curious, and then they simply go to the learningteam.org website and download the 30-day and have some fun with it. And also, if they want to, have a look at the tutorials as well. And they're only 3 minutes each, and that's all they take, just to get a real flavour of how it all works.